All right, we're getting some dramatic pictures coming in from Kolkata, where the BJP MP Locket Chatterjee is protesting outside the West Bengal Education Minister's office over the hike in school fees in some private schools that have been announced. Suragini is live there at the location where this protest is happening. Yes, Suragini.
Well, firstly, I would like to show you the shots over here. The MP Locket Chatterjee, she is protesting peacefully, although in front of near the Bikash Bhavan, which is the office of Partho Chatterjee, who's the West Bengal Education Minister. Now, if you look at the entire scenario over here, what we can see is that social distancing has gone for a toss, and that is a very, very disastrous sight that we are looking at. The protest that is happening is over the fact that certain private schools had hiked their fees amidst the lockdown. Although the Chief Minister of the state, Mamata Banerjee, had clearly stated that no schools, no educational organizations, be it public or private, can hike fees in this kind of a situation. Certain schools did hike their fees, the private schools did hike their fees, and a lot of protests were seen. But right now what you're seeing is the MP herself is protesting in front of near Bikash Bhavan, which is Education Minister Partho Chatterjee's office. And one very, very important thing that we can see over here is that the social distancing has gone for a toss. Complete violation of social distancing by both the media fraternity here and also the entire BJP people who are protesting over here. Back to you.
But Suragini, anything that we're hearing from the government side, because are they siding with such schools which have decided to hike fees? Across the nation, we are looking at several schools, and the state governments also deciding, giving out that orders that no school, private, government, they will not be hiking fees for the students, at least for this year.
Well, absolutely, and that was stated by the Chief Minister herself. She had clearly stated a few weeks back that no private schools can hike fees in this particular situation. But barring, a few schools did hike their fees, and for which a lot of protests by parents and teachers organizations was seen. And that is the reason why the MP, Honorable MP, is sitting over here on protest. Another thing that we would like to show you is how social distancing, once again, which is the most important thing right now, has gone for a toss completely. Like the protesters, they are not maintaining any kind of social distancing over here. And this is a sight of worry. Like protests do happen, but in the times of Corona, a social distancing message had to be prevalent. But sadly, what we see over here is that social distancing by the protesters has gone for a toss.
All right. So these protests, what is the MP saying right now? Can we hear a bit of that as well, Suragini, and if you can translate what's happening there with the live pictures?
Well, what she's saying is that the fees cannot be hiked, and that is the main agenda, the reason behind, these people protesting over here. Back to you.
All right, so that's a BJP protest that is taking place in Kolkata, where right outside the Education Minister's office, and the protest is taking place because certain private schools have decided to hike their fees, and many of those parents also protested, and many social distancing norms that you can see in those protest visuals have gone for a complete toss. Thanks very much, Suragini.